I begin with the King of Kings. This is 2.2 Glory and Hope, Nelson Mandela. Before starting the lesson, let me say something about Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was a South African political leader and philanthropist who served as president from 1994 to 1999. He was born on 18 July 1918. He died on 5 December 2013 in Johannesburg, South Africa. His book, Long Walk to Freedom, which is his autobiography, is very famous. About his struggle, he says, I have walked that long road to freedom. I have tried not to falter. I have made missteps along the way. But I have discovered the secret that after climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. I have taken a moment here to rest, to steal a view of the glorious vista that surrounds me, to look back on the distance I have come, but I can only rest for a moment, for with freedom comes responsibilities, and I dare not longer, for my long walk is not ended. Three words seem difficult in this quotation. Falter, Falter, falter means to move, to shiver. Missteps means blunders or mistakes. Vista means a pleasing view. About education, Nelson Mandela says, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Dear students, during an interview in 1999, he was asked by BBC, what's the difference between a politician and a leader? Nelson Mandela said, a politician thinks of the next election, while a leader thinks of the next generation. Now coming to the topic of the speech, Glory and Hope. Glory and hope means South Africa's new era. Why? Because the country emerged from the valley of darkness and into the light of glory and hope. Dear students, the speech Glory and Hope was delivered on 10 May 1994 in Pretoria, the capital city of South Africa. Now coming to the first paragraph, let's read. Your Majesties, Your Royal Highnesses, dear students, Your Majesty, Your Royal Highness, if you get a chance to meet some people in the royal family, you would say, Your Majesty or Your Highness. We should use professional address. For example, you should say doctor or professor when you meet a doctor or a professor. Distinguished means worthy, esteemed. Comrades and friends, there are two types of friends: good friends, casual friends. What are good friends? Close friend, childhood friend, family friend, BFF, best friend forever. casual friend. 1. Pen pal, a friend of yours with whom you communicate with writing or through letters. 2. Acquaintance, you are not very close to that person, you just know him. Colleague, your co-worker, the person who you work with in business and department. Classmate, fair weather friend. Frenemy, frenemy means one who is your enemy but pretend to be your good friend. Today, all of us do, by our presence here and by our celebrations in other parts of our country in the world, confer. Confer means bestow, bestow, glory and hope to newborn liberty. Out of the experience of an extraordinary means unusual. Human disaster means catastrophe. That lasted means continued. Must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. It means the society got independence. The country emerged from the valley of darkness and into the light of glory and hope. To conclude, Nelson Mandela was the first black president of South Africa, and this is Mandela's speech as he was sworn in as president of South Africa in Pretoria. That's all for today. Thank you and have a blessed day.